Have you ever wondered why only a few people become truly successful? What is the secret behind millionaires and great leaders? Napoleon Hill studied 500 successful people, like Henry Ford and Thomas Edison, for 25 years. From that, he discovered 13 clear steps to success. This book is not just about money. It's about building your dream life, using the power of your mind. Let's explore the 13 steps, one by one. 13 steps to success, explained simply. Number 1, desire. Every success begins with a strong desire. Don't just wish. Want it deeply, and clearly. Say it with confidence. I want to earn 10 lakh rupees, in 12 months. This desire becomes your starting point. Number 2, faith. Believe in yourself, even before success comes. Your mind needs your belief to take action. Say it every day. I can do it. I will succeed. When you believe, your journey begins. Number 3, autosuggestion. Tell your goal to your mind, again and again. Every morning and night, repeat it. Write it. Read it. Feel it. Your subconscious mind will start working for you. Number 4, specialized knowledge. You don't need to know everything. Just learn the skills that support your goal. If you want to start a business, learn about products, marketing, and sales. Focused knowledge is powerful. Number 5, imagination. Your ideas create your future. Every big success began with a small, creative thought. Use your imagination to find new ways to reach your goal. Dream big. Act smart. Number 6, organized planning. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Create a step-by-step plan. Example. I will work 2 hours daily on my new project. Stick to it. Take action now. Number 7, decision. Successful people decide quickly and change slowly. Don't overthink too long. Don't wait forever. Decide. Act. Trust your path. The more confident your decision, the stronger your progress. Number 8, persistence. Failures will come. But you must keep going. Winners never quit. Even small steps every day create big results. Keep moving forward. Number 9, power of the mastermind. Work with people who believe in your dream. Talk with them. Learn from them. 2 or more minds working together create more power. Your circle matters. Number 10, sex transmutation. Turn emotional energy into creative power. Your passion, your drive, can help you build something great. Use that energy not for distraction, but for focus. It's your inner fuel. Number 11, the subconscious mind. Your deep mind listens to your strongest thoughts. Fill it with your goal, your belief, your dream. Say it. Feel it. See it. The subconscious never sleeps. Number 12, the brain. Your brain is a magnet. When you focus, it attracts ideas, people, and opportunities. Think rich. Think big. Your brain will respond. Number 13, the sixth sense. After all 12 steps, you begin to feel a new power. Your inner voice, your instinct, will guide you. Trust it. That is your sixth sense. It comes when your mind is trained. Final message. Success is not magic. It's not luck. It is a method, a system, a daily habit. Follow these 13 steps. Think clearly. Act with purpose. And you will grow rich, in mind, in life, and in money.